In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Messenger Room. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a room in Facebook Messenger for a future time. Invite the right people, and make sure everything kicks off when you want it to. Start by opening the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that first, so the scheduling options appear exactly as described. Once you're on your chat screen, you're ready to begin. Next, tap Create a Room. Depending on your version of Messenger, this might appear as a prominent button on the Home or Chats tab, or as a tile labeled Create a Room. If you don't see it right away, look near the top of the screen or within the Compose area where you'd normally start a new conversation. Tapping this opens the Room Setup screen where you'll set who's invited and when it starts. Now, choose the people you want to invite. You can scroll through your recent contacts or use the search bar to find specific friends or coworkers. Tap each person to add them. If you're planning a group discussion, select everyone you want now so they receive the same scheduled invite. Don't worry, if you're keeping things small, you can invite just one person, and it will work exactly the same way. Look for the start time or schedule for later option. It may appear as a toggle or switch on the room setup screen. This is the control that turns an instant room into a scheduled one. When you see it, turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you'll be prompted to pick the date and time for your room to start. Choose the date and set the time that works best for your participants. Pay attention to your time zone and whether your device uses 12-hour or 24-hour format. Double-check that you're not accidentally scheduling it for the wrong day, especially if you're planning ahead by a week or more. Pick a time that gives people a comfortable heads up, and consider typical availability if it's for a team or a family event. When everything looks good, click Save. Messenger will lock in your settings and schedule the room. Your invitees will see the planned session, and they'll get reminders when it's close to starting. That's all there is to it. Open Messenger, create a room, choose who's invited, switch on scheduling, pick your date and time, and save. You're set for a smooth, on-time conversation.